In the heart of the forest, whispers tell of trees that never burn. Old tales speak of a pact with ancient spirits, granting them fire resistance. But why? As night falls, a lone traveler stumbles upon these trees, feeling an unsettling presence. The air thickens and shadows twist unnaturally. Suddenly, the trees seem to breathe, exhaling a chilling truth. They feed on fear, thriving on the terror of those who dare to wander too close. The traveler realizes too late that escape is impossible. To hear more haunting tales, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.